Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wyze for camera setup and firmware update step by step clearly. Open the Wyze app on your mobile device. If you do not have the Wyze app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. On the home screen, select Create Account. Enter your email address in the designated field. Choose a secure password and confirm it by entering it again. Check the box for terms and conditions if required. Tap the Sign Up button to proceed. You will receive a verification email from Wyze. Go to your email inbox and locate the verification email. Open the email and click on the verification link. Once verified, return to the Wyze app. Now, enter your login credentials using the email and password you just registered. Upon logging in, you will be directed to the app's main interface. To set up your Wyze camera, tap the plus icon in the upper left corner. Select Add Device from the menu. Choose Wyze Cam from the list of devices available. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your camera to Wi-Fi. Make sure to enter the correct Wi-Fi password. Once the camera connects, it will update to the latest firmware version. After the firmware update completes, your camera setup is ready. You can now customize your camera settings as needed. That concludes the registration and setup process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.